This question is again an important question. Question is asked, what is the value of this determinant, is the question asked. So let's call this value of the determinant as delta. Is it okay? So because all the entries are trigonometric terms here, I can write sine alpha, sine beta. Is it okay? Sine beta, sine delta, and similarly cos alpha, cos beta, cos delta, cos delta. Sine alpha plus gamma can be written as sine alpha cos gamma plus cos alpha sine gamma. Is it okay? Sine beta, cos gamma plus cos beta sine gamma, sine gamma cos delta plus cos gamma sine delta, sine delta. Is it okay? Now if I want to simplify a term, what I can do, so from the biggest column I'll transform it, C3 minus cos gamma times C1. Is it okay? Gamma, cos gamma times C1. So what I can do, delta value is equal to sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma, is it sine delta. Is it okay? Sine delta, sine delta, cos alpha, cos beta, cos delta. Now sine alpha cos gamma will get cancelled. Cos alpha sine gamma, correct? Sine beta cos gamma will get cancelled. Cos beta sine gamma will be left over. Similarly, cos gamma sine delta will get cancelled. Sine gamma cos delta, cos delta. Is it okay? So now if you see in this third column, you can see that sine gamma is constant, right? Sine gamma is common. So from the column number 3, from this column number, we can take out sine gamma common. So delta is equal to sine gamma. If you take out, what remains in the bracket is sine alpha, sine beta, sine delta. Is it okay? Sine alpha, sine beta, sine delta, cos alpha, cos beta, cos delta, then cos alpha, cos beta, and cos delta, Is that right? Now you can clearly see that C2 and C3 are becoming equal. C2 is equal to C3, so the value of delta will become equal to what? Will become equal to what? 0 is the answer to the question. Sine gamma into 0, answer is 0 only.